Hello, this is a video to show you how to fix the Diva Light 401. Actually, it applies to all Divas, how to change a ballast. When I plug this in, the issue is basically only two of the Kino bulbs are lighting up, no matter what I do with the switch. So instead of lighting all four, only two of them are lighting up. So the first thing is basically you have to unscrew the casing of the big ballast holder in the back. And there's over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then there's more screws on the back, but you unscrew all of them. In this case, I have already took off the screws, and then here's the actual ballast itself. There's two ballasts here, 1 and 2. If you look here, and then it even has the model numbers listed. You just go online and find the model numbers for the ballast. Each one costs about $112 brand new to replace. So $112 if you want to replace, each about $200 for two. You can probably go look on, Craigslist or go to a light shop, maybe see if you can get a discount. But just make sure you get the dim version and you get the right model number. You need two tools. One tool looks like this, or a socket wrench. It's the same thing. Basically, I already had the tool that had the right size. And this is basically a flat head watch screwdriver. And this tool will remove the ballast from here. If you look here, that socket right there, unscrew it, and it'll come right out. This tool right here will, if you look really closely, it doesn't turn. These don't turn. If you look here, these things don't turn. These are actually little button switches. You push down, and then the wire pops out. Let's see if I can do it while holding a camera. See? The wire just slips right out. So same thing with every one of these. You just push down, and the wire should come right out. And same thing on this side. You use this tool to push down, and the wire comes out. And you do that for all of them. And you do that for all of them. This is a power side, and this is the wiring side to the lamps. Try to do replacing one at a time, so you know which wires go where. And for what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep this on. And if you look here, yeah, it's pretty safe with the low amount of voltage. We want to see which ballast is the one that we need to replace. And the easy way to do that is just by, you see this black wire? Remember the push down, take out. See? So this is a good ballast. This one we want to keep. This is the one that we want to replace. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to cut the camera, and I'm going to take this all out. And here we go. The ballast is taken out all the way. And I have the new ballast, replacement ballast right here. I'm going to unpackage it and put it in, and just give you a talk right after I cut the camera. Okay, we've replaced the ballast. Here's the bad ballast that was there, and the new ballast is in. And basically, it's plugged in right now, and we'll just want to show you again that, everything is actually labeled on this side, white, black, and then you can see the cable is white and black. I mean yellow and black. It says yellow and white, but it's yellow and black on the actual cable. Old one said yellow and black. but the new ballast is yellow and white. But you understand. Then yellow, that's a yellow cable. Everything else just plugs in, red, blue. Everything else is labeled and it's plugged in. Just remember, you just use this small flathead, push, and it pops right out. And same thing when you put it back in, you just push and then you slide the cable back in, and it goes right in very easily. Alright, here's the ultimate test. The power is on. Turn it off, on. And if you look here, still 2 bulbs on. If I flip the switch, we got all 4 that are on. So all I did was replace the ballast and everything works. So all I have to do now is take this and put the cover back over it and screw it all down, lock it all up, and we're done. Simple way to replace the ballast.